In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the ATR Pips, LazyBear indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the indicator added to your charts and ready to use, even if you're brand new to TradingView. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. What matters is that you're on the main chart screen. At the top of the chart area, look for the Indicators button. This is usually near the toolbar where you change time frames and chart types. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and add built-in tools, community scripts and favorites to your chart. Once the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click directly on that search field so your cursor is active in it. This search bar is how you quickly find exactly what you're looking for, instead of scrolling through long lists of indicators. Now, in that search box, carefully type ATR Pips LazyBear. Type it exactly like that, so TradingView can find the right script. As you're typing, TradingView will start showing results below. You should see the ATR Pips indicator created by the user known as LazyBear appear in the list. If you don't see it right away, double check your spelling and make sure you're in the Indicators and Strategies search, not some other tab. When the correct result appears, click on it once. TradingView will automatically add the ATR Pips LazyBear indicator to your current chart. You'll usually see it show up either as an overlay on your chart or in a separate pane below, depending on how the script is designed. After the indicator is on your chart, the next step is to customize it. On the chart, move your cursor over the name of the ATR Pips LazyBear indicator, usually shown at the top left of its pane or on the main chart. You'll see a small gear icon appear next to its name. Click on that gear icon to open the settings. Inside the settings window, you can adjust inputs like length and multiplier, and change colors or styles to match your chart theme. Take a moment to set these according to your trading plan and visual preferences. When you're happy with everything, click OK or close the window and your customized ATR Pips LazyBear indicator is ready to use.